pagkakaiba doon sa impeachment natin at impeachment kay Vice President Sara Duterte, yung first three tinanggap ni SecGen. Yung sa atin hindi tinanggap. Therefore, there is no one-year rule bar.
So when will you file again?
Kung kailan pwede, I think sina Congressman Jing Paras, they are preparing. Did you ask them?
Kayo, sir.
Hindi ko pa natanong, but they are preparing to file their own version.
Pero yung version niya, sir, anong grounds? Same ba?
Same grounds. It is very simple. It is betrayal of public trust and yung sa violation of the Constitution because nagpadala tayo ng isang Filipino citizen sa kamay ng mga dayuhan.
So, sorry po, i-refile niyo po ulit yung impeachment po.
I think we will just consolidate with other, meron kasi mga kumausap sa amin na they will also file. Pero ang topic dito yung it is defending the Supreme Court in their decision now stating that impeachment proceeding against Vice President Sara Duterte is unconstitutional.
Yes, sir.